Drip Garden. Oh, so what's going on with all this stuff? Well, welcome back, everybody. You get a sweet crypto here. I'm gonna put up my chair here for this video because this video is pretty serious. What's up with the animal farm? What's up with Drip Garden? Like, what's going on with that? Jeez, this stuff is still paused? Are you kidding me? Man, I don't know what Forex Shark's doing. To be quite honest with you, I haven't really been up to date with this stuff at all. I just know that it's too long. He said he would unpause it in 10 days. It's been 2 months. What the heck's going on? What is going on? Paused still? Ah. As you can see, I'm doing well in the plant category, but that's because this is not paused. So this is continuously losing contract balance. He is draining this stuff. He's just freaking unpause it. Unpause it. Who cares? Unpause it. Just goes. I don't know what to say. I really hope he unpauses it because I'm at 3,100 plants right now, and that's pretty good for this account. And yeah, I haven't taken out $1 out of this account. It's probably maybe time to. I don't know. It's tough to see, but yeah, come on. This is getting messed up. We can look at this account too. Drip Garden over here. See, remember this little baby account? I haven't recompounded that, but part of me just wants to like take this out, but I'm like, why? You know, if he doesn't pause it, I'll be sitting nice in the money. You know, if this goes back up to 1,000 balance, the price of plants go way up. You know, I'm looking at a couple $100 a day. If that were to ever happen, which it may not. But let's look at some other stuff. Let's look at some drip. $24. Man, drip. I have about 7.9 drip in here. I haven't hydrated this in a pretty long time. Yeah, in about like a week or so. So we're gonna hydrate that. A lot of me just wants to take this out, continuously take it out, but you know, at this point, it's like I put $6 grand in. I'm down so much money. Do I just hope that drip just goes back up to like $100 and that's like 10 grand? You know, I don't know. I don't know what the play is, if I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, I guess just recompound. And then, what the heck happened to freaking Titano? Jeez, I like their new platform, but Jesus, 2 cents? Oh my God, I haven't been on this in like a week. I got $1 grand in here at 2 pennies. I had $4 grand in here, so if it was back at 20 cents, I would have like $11,000. Jesus. Wow. Well, I guess let's just let this run up. It's been tough out here. It's been tough. Let's go take a look at some stuff that's, I guess, doing okay. Splash. Or actually, let's go check at something else real quick. I'm gonna blur the screen for a little bit. If you don't know, so an update on my blockchain development skills. If you don't know, I'm trying to become a blockchain developer to make projects because I'm sick of these projects, of these developers not going through, rogue pulling, not promising what they'll do, just running away with the money and creating crap background sides to these projects. I want something that's even better, you know? And I'm like, okay, I could go pay someone to do that, but I don't got that money. I'm not gonna cap. I don't got that money. I don't got tens of thousands of dollars to go pay a developer to go make a project that I don't even know that's gonna succeed. You know, I'll try my best to make it succeed, but I don't know what the developer even did to it that I paid. So I'm like, okay, well, instead of spending that money, I'm gonna put my hard work, time that I barely have, and money that I barely have to learn programming. And the thing about programming, it's costly to become a blockchain developer to get like lessons, because I tried to do it online. Courses, that crap is so hard. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how people do it. I haven't heard of one dude that's... Actually, I have heard of a dude that's done it. It took him about 7 months, but he almost lost his brains from it. But yeah, I'm just going to pay someone to get me one-on-one lessons with them. Because you have to learn like JavaScript, then you have to learn HTML, then you have to learn Web3, then you have to learn Node.js, then you have to learn Smart Chain. Yeah, and there's, I think, another thing or two. But you just gotta learn all those. So it's, I estimate it being like 10 grand, something like that, a little less. And probably like 6 to 7 months. But I'll get there. And then I could finally make some projects, and hopefully my time will pay off and nice income for me and great projects for the people. It's mainly just literally delivering for the people. I can't stand this, dude. You don't understand how much I cannot stand it. It's like I don't know how to build the projects, but I have great concepts behind it on the way it would work. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make that. And everybody that's in my group, everybody that falls, this is elephant money, by the way, we're just compounding. Everybody that's in my group, everybody that's subscribing to me, everybody that's active with me, yeah, it's going to be a journey. And I'm obviously going to update you guys how often I can on this journey to becoming a developer. But I think it's going to be pretty fun. And once I make that first project, well, obviously I'm going to have test projects. And then once I actually finish my first project that I'm going to put out there, DeFi project, obviously, everybody will get a huge incentive, because the people that follow me, the people that are in the chats, I appreciate y'all. And yeah, gotta stick through this for a little bit, and then which is gonna be really nice too is on my journey to becoming a developer. I think what I'm gonna learn pretty close on, instead of later, is smart contracts. So then I could have a good idea on what projects I'm looking at and can tell if it'll work out or if it's a scam or whatnot. So that's gonna be really helpful as well. Okay, Piston Token. Let's see. Whoa! Hold up. Wait a minute. $22? Hold up. Wait a minute. What in the world? Okay. 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 You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at all about that. $22. I bought it 16. Yeah, if Piston, just imagine if Piston was like $100. That'd be so lit. Anyway, we don't have a lot of Piston. We only have $368, but as you can see here, if you fill all the way up, you can get, I'll read this again. 5 times meter to intercept consistent flow. You can read this the whole amount of guessing. Never go higher than 5 times the amount of deposits in your tank. And you get, how much percent a day do you get out of this? Totally forgot. Your max payout is, my max payout is 57. Okay. So if my max, okay, so I'm getting 0.15. Okay, so I'm getting 1% a day. That's right. I'm being stupid. I'm getting 1% a day. Oh yeah, join my team if you want to join the crypto Yes, my team. We'll change my helmet, you know, just to show that I'm this thing. Wow, this is pretty cool. What the heck? Yo, this is cool. How do I level up? Oh, it costs $100? What? Wait, what do you mean? This is really cool. What the heck? Wait, what's level 4? Oh, there's more levels? Can I get like a Lamborghini or something like that? Sick Formula 1 car. Oh, we got the Bugattis. Can I get a Super Pharaoh? Sorry, I gotta make a total different video on Piston. What the actual heck? This is sick. We got a McLaren Senna. We got the how do you guys like what's your guys' favorite car? Because you know, we're obviously gonna have it one day. Gotta manifest, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, level 15. This looks sick. Whoa. Whoa, they got the Evo in here. I like cars. If you didn't notice, I actually got my car. Ooh, they got the... See, okay. This Bugatti... Okay, wait. This is a crypto channel. Hold up. I'm talking about cars. They got the Tesla Roadster in here. Okay, but why is the Tesla Model S on level 13? It should be probably level 11. Okay, hey. See, like, you got... Okay, look at this. I'm sorry. Okay, I gotta go over this. You got over a million. Well, yeah, you know, you got 1.8 million. You got million, and you just got 100K. Like, bruh, what? Okay, I've spent like 3 minutes on this thing, but anyway, this is really sick. Really sick. So it's locked. So I gotta like read more about this, or if someone wants to tell me, that'd be even better. But I'll read more about this. So I'm level 0. Well, I'm at level 0, man. So, oh, can you level up all the way to here? Okay, so if you go to 15, that's 2,900. Upgrade your pit crew level and boost your race. So what does that do? I'm an idiot. This is really sick. Wow. This is awesome. View my pit crew. Wait, what? Wait. My upline? I'm sorry, I'm like... Wait. Is this someone on my team? Hey, whoever's watching this video, did you join my team? This person. I don't think you did. Oh, I know who this is. Oh, yeah, it's Piston there. So, okay, can we just not talk about it? Okay, I'm really receive boost of Piston from Nitro and deposits of users in your downline. Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, join my team. Apparently, it's sick. Look at the wow. This is so sick. This is so sick. Piston, you've really outdone yourself. Because last time I really looked into this, nothing like this was not here. Or else I'm tripping. Wow. Okay, Piston may be my favorite thing right now. Behind Splash. This is so sick. I'm level 0. Okay, I think I gotta be more than level 0 though. So if I wanna... Oh, I should have bought Piston on the dip. How about this? Okay. Oh, never mind. Okay, well, anyway, that's really cool. This video is going... Oh my gosh, this video is going way over. I highly doubt there's anybody watching this late in the video, but if you are, we're gonna check out Splash real quick. Or if you skip through the video, we're checking out Splash real quick. So we got $84 here. Let's check what the Splash price is. Let's look at the chart. It's going down. It's going down. I mean, here's the thing, guys. here's the thing. Splash. Ever since the hack, it hasn't been the same. It's very unfortunate too, because this is, I don't know about you, but I really like this UI. Like, it's a little tricky, I guess, but it's cool. I like it. And I got the splash pad. I don't know much about this. I'm not going to dabble into this. I'm just not going to. But, you know, I don't know. We're going to do an airdrop, though, Saturday I said I was going to do it, or Sunday. I think I said Sunday. We're going to claim this. And yeah, the reason I'm claiming this is because once every couple days, let me close this. Once every couple days, I claim it and take a little bit of profits. It's always good to take some nice profits. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta do my own video on Piston though. Piston is really cool. Like, that is sick. It's like a video game. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.